Old boat throw and rescue, eh? And you can see my tire tracks where I tried to go. Hey, shut your key off, you're killing your battery.
Yeah, it's fucking flooded now.
No point in killing the battery, Phil. Hey Don, I thought you were better at fishing. You're just doing that to splash them, aren't you?
Don't hold back.
Don't hold back?
Don't hold.
It's like the ultimate red number. Old boat throw and rescue, eh? And you can see my tire tracks where I tried to go. Hey, shut your key off, you're killing your battery.
Yeah, it's fucking flooded now.
No point in killing the battery, Phil. Hey Don, I thought you were better at fishing. You're just doing that to splash them, aren't you?
Don't hold back.
Don't hold back?
Don't hold.
It's like the ultimate red number.
Just catch it. You got some bad hand-eye coordination going on or what?
I can't even reach it.
You're not even attempting. Jump for it.
Jump for it.
Isn't that where I sunk up to my knee when it was,
Yep.
That was it.
That's probably right in the middle of it.
That slew, look at it.
Oh, man. Yeah, I know the feeling. My arms are crusted over.
Sinking? I can.
When this stuff dries on top, you think it's solid, you step on it, sink right down to nothing. That won't be starting for a while, Russell. I'm sorry.
Hey.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Straps off, straps off!
No, straps on.
Straps off? Onto what? You're I got you. Okay, now I understand. No, I totally understand. Yeah. That guy's fat man tug of war, man.
Fucking races.
Cacti! You're gonna try to water ski there, Russell. Oh, he's figured it.
Going in there.
Oh yeah, he's going to the drink for sure. Russell?
Hey. Hey.
It won't.
I'm close enough now. Oh, you got it on? No, I pulled myself closer.
We had some awesome pictures here.
I bet you $100 you can't water ski off the back.
I can't start it anyways. Need boost. Battery.
Now you gotta drag him up that hill, Don.
Which one?
That one. It's the driest.
Oh, this one right here.
That one's a decent crater right there.
Oh, there's water in the motor.
You think?
I see it shut out exhaust.
Yeah.
Okay, which way?
I'd seriously go, honestly,
That's not running again for
that way. Right up there.
Stay in park.
It's not. Man, that was me like a week and a half ago. That was you. It's all that Irish beer. Oh, that's nasty. That is so nasty. Oh, fuck. know if it was drier, I'd sit on there and get right up, but it's
Gonna need some.
lower gear. No, he'll tow him. He'll tow him. Put her in first. Oh, wait. Wait, Don, wait. You got her. Yeah.
Is it off?
Yep, no, it's on now. You're good.
I didn't get it in the first though.
Roll it. Roll it. Off the gas and make it roll. Off the gas. While it's rolling backwards. That's not good.
Maybe it's good hook it and then get it in the first and bring her back.
You got her. You're free. I'd leave that shut off for now.
This guy's battery's dead anyways.
Yeah. That's gonna spit out some Baja backfire really bad, really quickly. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.